Okay, so if your doctor has recommended that you get yourself a nebulizer, either because of asthma, COPD caused from smoking, or even if you're trying to overcome a lung disease right now, and you'd like a nebulizer that is small and lightweight enough for you to travel with, then the IH55 from Beurer may be something for you to consider. So in today's video, we're going to unbox the IH55, find out what features the nebulizer itself comes with, and also what accessories are included inside of this packaging so that you can find out if this is a suitable device for you. Having a look at some of the features noted on the outside of the box, and we can see that the IH55 is going to be operated by a vibrating mesh. So this is your nebulization via diaphragm technology. And with it, you're going to have a nebulization performance of about 0.25 milliliters per minute. So if your doctor has recommended a certain output to come from the nebulizer, then you can cross-reference this with their recommendation. On this, we're also going to have a self-cleaning function with the IH55, which is definitely going to come in handy, especially because this is for the nebulization of liquid medications. So to be able to clean that out would be very useful. We can see that we have a few accessories that are included inside of the packaging too. So we've got our mesh nebulizer, you've got your mouthpiece, and also an adult and children's mask, both of which has an elasticated head strap on it. Looking deeper into it, and we can see that this is going to be for the treatment of your upper and lower respiratory tracts. It's got a particle size of about 5.5 microns that it goes up to. It is a very silent system, so because of that vibrating mesh technology, it's a much quieter device than some of the previous devices. And we've also got an LED indicator displaying the operating status of the device. So with this, you're going to get your batteries and also your mains parts. Included in here is also your storage bag for accessories, and remember that the IH55 comes with a 5-year guarantee. So if there are any manufacturing defects with the item within the next 5 years of you purchasing it, just come back to us, let us know, and we'll be able to help you out from there. Okay, so with that said, let's open it up and find out what is included inside of the packaging itself. With everything open, we can take a look at it. So firstly, we can see that we're going to have our instruction manual. Very important for you to read through the first time you get your device. It'll teach you exactly how to set up the device for the first time, its full functionality, and also very importantly, how to clean and maintain the nebulizer and all the accessories that come along with it. So having a look at some of the accessories, and we can see that we have an adult face mask. We also have a children's face mask, both of which have the wire nose bridge on it and also an elasticated headband. We've also got a mouthpiece, which is still going to be the preferred method of nebulization with this device. And when it comes to power accessories, you have two options with the IH55. You can use the device with batteries, or you can use it with its power adapter. So when we're talking about the batteries, here we're going to have 4 AA batteries, and if you were going to replace these, then try to go for something like the Energizer Max AA batteries. Those will give you a long lifespan and also a consistent power output. With the batteries, you're going to get about 180 minutes of runtime, which comes up to about 7 to 9 treatments in total with the nebulizer. If you are going to be using the mains adapter that comes with it, so the power adapter is going to be your South African 2-pin plug going to your DC input, and that's going to plug into the device from the underneath. Next, we can see that we have our storage bag, which is going to come in handy because it's got a hardcover case on the outside all the way around with a zip, and inside you're going to have a space for all the different attachments and accessories that you need to keep inside one place. Keep in mind that if you do need replacements on any of the accessories that the IH55 comes with, then you can head over to our online store, omninela.co.za. Use the top search bar and just type in IH55, and you'll be able to find some of the replacement accessories for this device. Having a look at our nebulizer, and we can see that on the top end we're going to have our medicine container. Inside there you will be able to fill in your saline solution or your liquid medication, or both, depending on your doctor's recommendation of dilution of those two. On the side we have a few graduations, so those are measurements from 2 milliliters all the way up to 10 milliliters for you to be able to measure the volume that you do put inside of your medicine container. On the front end you'll have your barrel, and to that you can add one of your attachments onto it. Just behind the barrel is going to be the mesh atomizer itself. On the back end we're going to have the release clip that will open the lid of the medicine container, and on the back here you're also going to have your release button, which will be able to release the medicine container and the mesh atomizer. So if I put this back on, we can see that on the underside you're also going to have your battery compartment right here, and that'll open up to your 4 AA batteries, and you've also got your DC input socket just behind that. On the front end you've got your indicator button, so that's going to be your LED indicator, and depending on the status of the device it will light up different colors. So blue indicates that it is ready to go ahead and nebulize, orange indicates that the batteries may be low, and violet indicates that you may have a self-cleaning function activated at that moment. So that is our unboxing for the i855 from Beurer. If you think I've missed out any information in this video, then please share that in the comment section so that we can get back to you directly. Alternatively, to shop or to find out more, you can head over to our website omninela.co.za. If you did enjoy watching this video and would like to hear more from me, then please leave us a like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'm Nicholas from Omninela Medical, reminding you to live limitless.